In this video, we will show you how to do register on hotel and home site and book a perfect stay of your preference. This is our site where you can see the hotels of different locations and we recommend. Coming down the website, we can see explore top destinations and hot deals. Now we move to the process of registering in hotel and home. You need to enter details to create the account like your name, email, contact number, and set a strong password to do register. One verification code from hotel and home will come to your message box. Enter the given verification code to complete the registration. Now you can use your email or contact number as your ID and enter the password to log in. On hotel and home, you can click in the top right corner where you can see the registered name. Now you can search your destination, entering your check-in and check-out, adding total number of people, and choose the perfect stay from search result as per your preference. For now, I will choose one random hotel to show how to do the booking. You can see the images of the property this way and check the amenities if you want. On the right side, you can see the 10% off on every online payment. Don't miss this opportunity, guys. Now, I will book a double room and one pop-up of booking details will be displayed for your confirmation. After confirming the details, you need to proceed with the payment option to confirm your booking. You can see the difference of pay now and paying later, but choose any option you like for payment to confirm your booking. This is how you can book any stay all over Nepal as per your preference and experience the fastest and easiest way of booking the hotel.